How to render promo code in Webtoon. First of all, let's navigate and open any web browser that you use for searching. Once the app opens, type Webtoon promo code in the search bar and hit the search button on your keypad. Once you get the search results, find a website to get a Webtoon promo code. Once the website is open, if you scroll down a bit, you will find many current promo codes that you can use on your Webtoon app. Simply press and hold for a moment and copy the code. Now let's go back to the home page and open the Webtoon app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the three dots at the bottom right side, and from this page, tap on Webtoon Shop. A new page will open up in the web browser. Once the shop opens, find the product that you want to buy and tap to open it. Now tap on Add to Cart button to proceed next, and from the new menu, tap on the Checkout button. A new web page will appear on the screen. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the discount code or gift card text bar. Paste the copied code here and tap on Apply. These codes are already used by others, so you have to try all of them one by one until you find an active promo code. Once the active code is applied, you will get a discount on the total price. And that's it. This is how you can render a promo code on Webtoon. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.